Diabetes is a common health condition that impacts millions of people across the UK. There are more than 317,000 people with a diagnosis of diabetes in Scotland, according to a Scottish diabetes survey, with many of those suffering undiagnosed due to symptoms often going unnoticed until the condition reaches dangerous levels. In fact, there are 500,000 people in the UK estimated to have diabetes without knowing they have it, according to figures issued by the Diabetes and Wellness Foundation. The foundation adds that 9 in every 10 people with diabetes have type 2, which is preventable in many cases. Type 2 diabetes can lead to a range of serious health problems such as heart disease or stroke, as well as high blood sugar, that can cause diabetes. The health issue can also result in permanent damage to parts of the body including the eyes, nerves, kidneys and blood vessels, reports Liverpool Echo. It is important to know the signs of diabetes to allow for appropriate treatments to be put into place in order to manage the condition. And there are symptoms of high blood sugar, also known as hyperglycemia, that may be noticeable in the mouth. Having a dry mouth as well as breath that smells fruity may be a sign of high blood sugar. According to the NHS, stomach pain and recurrent infections such as thrush as well as bladder infections, cystitis, and skin infections may be a sign of hyperglycemia. Feeling thirsty a lot of the time may also be a warning sign, as well as needing to urinate more frequently, feeling or being sick, fatigue, blurred vision and unintentional weight loss. Join the Daily Records WhatsApp community here and get the latest news sent straight to your messages. Symptoms of high blood sugar may be a result of undiagnosed diabetes. This means it is important to visit your GP if you notice these signs. People may have type 2 diabetes for years without realizing due to symptoms often being general. According to the NHS, diabetes is a condition that causes a person's blood sugar level to become too high. There are two main types of diabetes: type 1 diabetes, a lifelong condition where the body's immune system attacks and destroys the cells that produce insulin; type 2 diabetes, where the body does not produce enough insulin, or the body's cells do not react to insulin properly. Type 2 diabetes accounts for more than 90% of all adults with diabetes across the UK. High blood sugar that develops during pregnancy is known as gestational diabetes. It usually goes away after giving birth. Newsletter here.